Welcome back to the McNerney Family Adventures. I'm going to do this Walt Life unboxing for the month of January. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Start off with a camo Marvel beanie. It's like something from the military or something. I'm going to open it.
If you want to.
Okay. United States Army SSR Brooklyn facility. Project Rebirth Steve Rogers, whoever that is. I do not know. Okay. Got a cup. It is Baby Yoda.
Bro, you can't
This
even...
is my good side. Then Power Nap. Nice, okay. I don't want that. Two things. Jelly beans, I mean, I'll eat those. Bet. Then I don't know. It's a pen, but it looks like the England flag. I think that's England. That might be Canada. I don't know. Okay, well, that's it. See y'all next time. Yeah, hit that like button. Subscribe, I guess. Bye.